Good morning, student of class 3. How are you, student? I hope you all are fine. See, student, before watching the video, please, student, take out your book, one rough copy and one pencil, and you note down the important points and even the things which you are unable to understand, student. Please note down in the rough copy, and in your doubt session, in online classes, in your doubt session, you can discuss with me. So okay, student, let do some recapitulation what I have done in my previous video, and after that we will start a new chapter. So student, in my previous video I have done one activity question with you. One activity question with you, and I told you that with the help of your, under the supervisions of some of your family, you can do that activity in your home. So, and another thing which I discuss with you in my previous video is that how we can save the water. How can we save the water? Water is very precious. पानी बहुत कीमती है. Without water, life is not possible. So, I discuss some of the activities with you. What we have to do that we can save the water. अगर हम अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में चेंजेस लाते हैं, कुछ चेंजेस लाते हैं, तो हम वाटर को पॉल्यूटेड होने से बचा सकते हैं. We can save the water. So these things which I have already discussed you with in my previous video. Now see, student, today date is 23/7/2020, and now today I will start my new chapter, that is a chapter number 10, Home Sweet Home. So as a name, all of you are familiar with this word. What is a home? Okay, so open your books, open page number 52. Open page number 52 of your book, student. So before starting, I want to ask a few questions with you. Where do you live? So what is a concept of home? If someone asks you what is a home for you, yes, anybody? Okay, good answer given by you. Good. The child is saying that where me and my family members are living together, that is my home. Okay, good. So student, in this chapter, name of the chapter is Home Sweet Home. So 52, open page number 52, student. What are the learning objectives? What we will learn from this chapter? First thing is that the need of a house and various types of a houses. Is it clear? And next, how to keep our house and surrounding clean. So these are the learning objective. After studying this chapter, we will understand the need of a house. What is the value of house in our life? And what are the different types of houses? And another thing is that how to keep our house and surrounding clean. See, this thing we will discuss in this chapter. So student, in my today video I give you the brief summary of all the chapter, that what we have to study in this chapter, and after that in my next video, one by one, the topics which are given in your book, according to that I will explain you the chapter. First of all, I give all the brief summary of the chapter, so that some concepts come in your mind, and when I start teaching you with the help of a book according to the topics which are given in the books, then at that time you will easily understand the things. Okay student, see, everyone needs a house. Now see student, question arises, everyone needs a house. So question is why? Why we need the house? Is it clear student? Why we need the house? And everyone, here I have written everyone. It means not only we are talking about human beings, even birds and animals, they also want the safe shelter for them. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम ही को एक सेफ शेल्टर चाहिए, बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स को भी चाहिए. Is it clear? That is the reason I have written on the board, everyone needs a house, whether it is a bird, animals or human beings. Is it clear? So see student, what is a house for us? What is a house for us? So what is the small definition of a house in our mind is that a place which protect us from heat, cold, rain is what? Is it our house? Because house is the place which protect us from all the types of the climates, with all types of a climate. So student, in the same manner, animals also, what are their habitats? What are their habitat? So student, animals also live in that place where they get plenty of food, and they are even safe from their enemies. Is it clear? So that place is their habitat, वो उनकी रहने की जगह होती है. ये एनिमल्स के संग भी होता है. ठीक है बेटा, ये एनिमल्स के संग भी होता है. एनिमल्स भी उसी प्लेस पे रहना पसंद करते हैं जहां उन्हें प्लेंटी ऑफ फूड भी मिले, एंड दैट प्लेस इज आल्सो सेफ फॉर देम फ्रॉम देयर एनिमीज. फ्रॉम देयर एनिमीज मींस बहुत से ऐसे एनिमल्स हैं जिसको दूसरे एनिमल्स ईट कर जाते हैं, खा जाते हैं, तो उनको उनसे भी बचना है, और उनके बच्चे भी वहां क्या रहें, सेफ रहें. इज इट क्लियर? सो in the same manner student, as a human being we also need a house. In the same manner student, as a human beings also we also need a house, because the house provide us, save us from the harsh climate conditions. Is it clear? For example, house protect us. from heat, cold, rain. From this climate condition, house is saving us. Is it clear? Even wind, even you can write wind also. So see student, we need a house because house protect us from heat, cold, rain and even from the wind. Is it clear? And that place which protect us from all these conditions, and that type of shelter is known as house. Is it clear? The shelter which protect us from heat, cold and rain, that we say, that shelter we say is it our house. ठीक है, हाउस आपको जो भी वेदर कंडीशन होती है, वेदर कंडीशन फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज टू हॉट, कोल्ड, रेन, सो इन और हीट सेव यू फ्रॉम ऑल दीज वेदर कंडीशन. तो इसी शेल्टर को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? हाउस बोलते हैं. इसी शेल्टर को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट? वी से इट एज ए हाउस. और व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर होम, when we are talking about our home, so what you will understand by saying or you are telling about your home? So in home what happen? You and other members of your family live together. ठीक है, इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर फैमिली में हम लोग ने ये सब चीजें डिस्कस की थी ना. Who are the members of your family, whether you are living in a joint family or you are living in a small family, that things, or you can say nuclear family, that things we have already discussed in chapter number 1, that is our family. So student, now small recapitulation. Everyone needs a house. It means everyone needs a shelter to protect themselves. Okay, whether it is a bird, whether it is animal or whether it is a human beings. Up to this it is very clear. हम सबको shelter की जरूरत है. ठीक. Next, habitat. Habitat is a place where the animals get enough food and even they are protect from their enemies, and that place is also safe for them. यही animals और birds का भी habitat बन जाता है. ठीक है, रहने की जगह. Now after that I discuss the place which protect us. Now we are talking about ourselves. The place which protect us from heat, cold, rain. So this shelter is known as our house. This shelter is known as our house because our house protect us from heat, cold and rain. तो जो हर्ष क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस हैं, ठीक है, इन सब से हमें कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? हाउस करता है. ओके, एंड नाउ स्टूडेंट, व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आवर होम, so what comes in with this? What is the meaning of this word our home? It means in your house you are living and other members of the family are living together with you, and this is known as our home. So why we need a house, student? Because we are secure and comfortable in our homes. We are secure, okay, and next word is comfortable. See, even house protect you from the climatic conditions such as heat, cold, rain, and in the same manner, student, your house also protect us from the thieves also. There are lot of things are inside your house. even when these things are inside the house, that things are safe, that things are safe. ठीक है, हाउस आपको भी सेफ रखता है, और इवन द थिंग्स विच यू हैव केप्ट इनसाइड द हाउस फॉर योर फैसिलिटीज, दैट आर आल्सो सेफ इनसाइड द हाउस, दैट आर आल्सो safe inside the house. And another important thing which we learn, that we love all the members of a family and we give respect to each other. These moral values you will learn from the home only. Is it clear? So student, up to this we have discussed what is the value of house in our life, because it protects us from the harsh climate condition. Is it clear? Even it protect, it is secure. What is it? Secure us from the thieves. Is it clear? And with other wild and with other animals also, because when we are inside our house, so we think that we are safe. ठीक है, हम अपने हाउस जो है हमें सेफ रखता है, हाउस क्या करता है, हमें सेफ रखता है. इज इट क्लियर? एंड आफ्टर दैट वी डिस्कस आवर होम. सो व्हाट इज आवर होम? यू एंड द अदर मेंबर्स हु आर लिविंग टुगेदर, दैट इज योर home, that is your home. And in the home you learn the moral values, that you should give respect to your elders and every members of the family love and respect each other. Okay, now student, let's talk about the types of houses. See student, now I will just today I am giving you a complete summary of the chapter, what we have to study in this chapter, and after that in detail in my next video, one by one I will take all the topics of different types of houses, how these houses built, what are the material are used, and what we do, that we discuss in the next video. See student, when we talk about types of houses, okay, when you go to your neighbor houses or when you go to your relative houses, see all the houses are same. Tell, all the houses are same. So answer is no, all the houses are not same. Maybe they differ in shape and size. Maybe someone is living a house, his house is very big, lot of rooms, double story or single story. So there is a difference maybe in shape and size of the houses, difference in shape and size, shape and size of the house may be differ. Is it clear? So student, but what is the common thing? ठीक है, अगर आप अपने रिलेटिव्स के यहाँ जाते हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के यहाँ जाते हो, तो क्या सारे हाउस एक जैसे दिखते हैं आपको? नहीं, हो सकता है उनके शेप साइज में डिफर होता है. कोई बहुत बड़े घरों में रहते हैं, कोई छोटे घर में रह रहे हैं, कोई डबल स्टोरी के घर में रह रहे हैं, कोई कंपार्टमेंट्स में रह रहे हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो अलग अलग ये चीजें आपको देखने के लिए मिलती हैं. आ गई यहां तक बात समझ में? इज इट वेरी क्लियर टू यू? नाउ सी स्टूडेंट, but what was the common thing which all type of houses are giving to us? House जैसे भी house में हम रहें, whether it is a big house, whether it is a कच्चा house or पक्का house, that all we will discuss in that chapter. Shortly I am just taking the name. In any type of a houses we are living, so what is the common thing which we are getting from the houses? Whether it is a kacha house, pakka house, big house, double story house or big compartment, but the common thing is that whether we are living in any types of houses, all the houses have one common thing. What is that? They all give us, they all protect us. They all protect us. Now the word arises, protect us from heat, cold, rain. Even we are secure in that, from the thieves and from the animals also. From the thieves and animals. This is a common thing. Whether the size house is big or small, kacha house or it is pakka house, what is the common thing which we are getting from these shelters? From these shelters, that is their house. That common thing is that they all protect us from the harsh weather conditions, from the thieves also. Our things are safe inside the house, and even we are safe from the animals also. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? And now student, when we are talking about the beginning time, so at that time when human beings also don't know how to make the house, human beings don't know how to make the house. So student, at that time human beings are living in, where they lived, human beings lived in caves. ठीक है, जो गुफा हुआ करती थी उसमें रहा करते थे ह्यूमन बींग्स इन द बिगनिंग, व्हेन दे डोंट हैव ए नॉलेज हाउ टू मेक ए हाउस. तो बिगनिंग में हम लोग भी गुफाओं में रहा करते थे. ठीक है, स्लोली स्लोली वी लर्न हाउ टू मेक अ हाउसेस, एंड आफ्टर दैट we start making different types of a houses. Is it clear? In the beginning human beings, they also lived in caves, and after that when we have knowledge, slowly we learn how to make the houses. Otherwise in the beginning we are living in the caves, and we are also taking shelter below the trees. Is it clear to all of you? Now there are, from heat cold ये हो गया, that is clear. Now next thing, now see student, these types of houses also depend upon the climate of the area or the place in which we are living. ठीक है, जिस जैसी प्लेस होती है ये भी बहुत डिपेंड करता है वहां कैसा क्लाइमेट है. इट आल्सो, मतलब what type of a house you are living and what type of a house you are making, it also depends upon the climate. It also depend upon the climate conditions also. Is it clear? Now see student, in when in the early time man are making, human beings are making kacha houses. Okay, at that time they don't have knowledge what they are making, kacha houses. Okay, when we are studying and condition which type of a house, it depend upon the place where we live. It depend upon the place where we live. So if you see, especially in the village areas, the peoples which type of house they are making, that is the kacha house. Is it clear? And what is a kacha house, that full explanation I will give you in my next video. Today just I am giving you the complete summary of the chapter what we have to study. So kacha house, especially in the village areas. Then we learn how to make a pakka houses. And even I told you that due to the climate condition, the houses are also made of different types. For example, some special houses in the plain area, if you see the roof मतलब छत होती है, roof of the house is plain, yeah, you can say flat. Is it clear? But if you see the houses which are built in the areas where there is a lot of rainfall, so what type of a houses there the peoples are making? Their roofs are slant. जो मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ा होगा ना, जो तिरछी लाइन होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? slant. Their roof is like this. Okay, plain roof is not plain or flat, it is. So see student, their roof is slant. So these types of slant roof you also see in the mountains areas also, where there is a lot of rainfall. And what happen if there is a snowfall, so that the rain water and snow can easily slide from the roof. अगर माउंटेन्स एरिया, हिलीज एरिया में रूफ फ्लैट होंगे तो व्हाट हैपेंस, तो it is impossible, it is very difficult for us to remove the snow. And if the roofs are slant, then the rainwater or snow can easily slide from the roof. Is it clear? And even student, those area where there is a lot of rainfall and every year floods come, floods mean बाढ़ आती है, बारिश के मौसम में इतनी ज्यादा बारिश होती है कि फ्लड्स आती हैं, तो वहां कैसे हाउसेस बनाए जाते हैं? स्टिल्ट हाउसेस. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ हाउसेस दे मेड? स्टिल्ट, STILT, स्टिल्ट हाउसेस. Is it clear? So these things. And another stilt houses, complete explanation in the next video of I will give what is stilt houses. Then due to, if you are talking about the Antarctica, what is this? It is a continent. So in that the houses are made of a snow also. The houses are made of snow and that are known as igloos. Is it clear? And see student, in some part of the India, houses are made on the boat. And when you boat word comes, you know, you can move the boat on the road. No, it means the houses on water. Boat road पे नहीं ना चल सकती. So how it means the houses on water, that is known as houseboat. This thing we'll discuss in this chapter also. And some types of houses are caravans, that we say houses on wheels. Caravans, which you can also say that houses on wheels. Okay student, now there is one more house, that is temporary house. Temporary house means the house is made of a tent. That is a temporary house. So student, lot of discussion of type of houses I have done with you. But what is the, for example, kacha house, pakka house, houses which are made in the hills areas, okay, houses which are made in the area where there is a lot of snow. So all the types of houses which I discussed, that is are permanent houses. यू कैनॉट शिफ्ट देम। ये नहीं है कि आज उठा के उधर ले गए अपने हाउस को, कल फिर वापिस आ गए, ऐसा नहीं है। तो ये जितने भी हाउसेज हैं, कच्चा हाउस है, पक्का हाउस है, सिंगल स्टोरी बिल्डिंग, डबल स्टोरी, कंपार्टमेंट्स, all the discussion which I have done about the different types of houses, they are permanent, we can't shift them. But one house which I discuss with you just now, Carvans, that is house on wheels. Okay, and this is a temporary house, tents. Okay, for few days you use this tents, and after that you can remove it also. Is it clear? So in this chapter, student, we will study different types of a houses. Okay, I hope you are able to understand. Thank you, student.